So I have some disappointing news. Everything that I was showing you guys before, gone. This whole thing fell down and I had to redo my seedlings. So let's start all over. I'm going to show you what I have. Also, some things did survive, which are in here. But let me just show you what I have. So what survived was this. So I have beets, and then I have my lettuce, the black-seeded Simpson. That's what survived. So let's just hope and pray that this continues to get better. Over here we have our tomatoes. So the beefsteak tomatoes, obviously nothing is in here. I purchased these little containers from Dollar Tree, $1.25, and these will actually help act obviously as a greenhouse, like you can see here. And I just fill the bottom with water. It minimizes me having to bring my hose in here and then having to do all of that. This over here are a mix of jalapenos and beets. Close that up. Over here, we have tomatillo. This is all tomatillos. I did these yesterday, which was the 10th. They say the 8th, but they actually were done on the 10th. I got my days mixed up. It's been a crazy time in our homestead. This right here is a mix of cabbage, black-seeded Simpson, hot pepper cascabella, and hot pepper cascabella. That's what we got going on in here. In this greenhouse, we have spinach. This is the Bloomsdale long-standing pepper, California Wonder. We have cabbage in the back there and some spinach in the back. And then the long-standing Simpson. Little gems. This is lettuce. This in here is tomatoes, chocolate cherry tomatoes. Swiss chard, bright light in the back. And broccoli. This is the green sprout. And then over here we have our herbs, which are dill, fennel, rosemary, basil, and cilantro. I don't have anything down in here quite yet. I will be adding some things probably today. I just don't know what. We also have a new addition. This is lavender, and I have it here in the greenhouse because lavender does not do very well for me, but I usually have it out where there's a lot of sun. So we just have it in the greenhouse here to just kind of keep the minimize the sunlight onto it. But she's doing really well. This was purchased 3 days ago. I also planted some baby's breath in this pot that I got from the Dollar Tree. It was $1.25. And I also have some blue sage in that pot. Again, from Dollar Tree for $1.25. We have an update on the garden. We have the Carnival Blend carrots. As you can hopefully see, we do have some seeds that have popped up, some growth. This right here are my beans. I can't remember which variety of beans, but we do have those coming up, which I'm excited. The lettuce, Muskellun's lettuce, is not doing a lot since last time. Same thing with the red lettuce. That's not, I don't know, that's not really growing. Over here, the beets, hopefully you can hear me. The beets, they're not really growing either. So I might pull these out and redo them. So over here, I did add tomatoes. I put them inside of new pots, so hopefully they grow well. I also added some of the mulch on top, which helps to retain the moisture. Onions aren't really doing much since last time. The Swiss chard is doing really well. Dill is still doing well. I added some marigolds in my raised beds to help with pollination and to attract some pollinators. Then we have our, I think this is red lettuce. I've been saying kale, but I think it's lettuce. So that's still doing very well. Don't have anything in the butterfly pea beds. I don't know if those are going to end up growing, hopefully. Those are things that I have to continue to keep growing and then replant them or repot them. And then over here, again, some marigolds. I forgot what that plant was, but that one is a very good pollinator. Not a pollinator, pollinator attractor. I've had so many that have come by. Lettuce is doing good. I did add these little pots from Dollar Tree. I added my basil into this. I don't have anything in that pot or that pot or that pot, but I also did add these cute little signs. This one says welcome. And then the garden is my happy place, but I have to fix this sign because, yeah, it's all twisted. Here's the green onions, still doing really, really well. For this, I think the frost got it. That's the oregano, the Italian oregano. And then we have lemon balm over there, but I think the frost did a little bit of damage to these. I also took some of the tomatoes and I repotted or replanted them inside of this raised bed, which they're doing okay. I also added that was from Dollar Tree. It's supposed to be for seeds, but I just added water on it for like the bees, you know. And then over there, I added another marigold, and then that same plant that was in the other raised bed. So overall, things are growing. I'm in zone 9B in Florida. And that's a look at the garden with the raised beds and my seedlings. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. Hopefully nothing falls this time, so that way the seeds can continue to grow. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.